What's up everyone, my name is Jeff and James Butter, and join me in my room in my house as I got some new stuff here. So we got the new last 91, which was in the 2025 Hornby range. So, and it's been released back on Saturday, and I ordered it on Sunday, and it came today. So yeah, we're gonna open it and see what's the change. What's the change? So I'm looking forward to it. As it's just announced in the January Hornby 2025 range back in January, and they announced the intercity 91031, the GNR livery 91127, and NER / version livery 91130. So I got 91031. So I got the intercity one. And versus Sheffield recently just uploaded it back on Saturday, and I ordered it on Sunday, and it just arrived on Monday, and I picked it up today, which was a Tuesday. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So let's open it. So we're gonna have a look this package that Versus Sheffield just received just days ago. This was just on the website just days ago before I got it. I think I might be the first one to get this. So yeah, this is the package. So it is DCC ready. So I'm not gonna do the 7000 thing yet, so because they need to update the sounds for the phone, as the sounds are not coming out from the phone. So I'm just waiting for a update for that for the 91, as I got already DCC fitted for the GNR 91. So yeah, so I'm not gonna have this one fitted, as I'm gonna use this one as I'm gonna use this one on the 1980s layout, 1980s version at Midland in upcoming in June, and then use this to pull that the test car 10. So yeah, let's open it. So coming like that. Nice package from Versus Sheffield. I've got some bubble wrap here. Got nice bubble wrap. And here we go. Just need the bubble wrap out. And here we are. First impression is that it is the new 91, as this was featured in the Hornby 2025 range. So first impression, package no different. It's just the same as the others. So get this out. Right, that was a bit tough getting it out. Yeah. So just pull this out. Right, it's out. Finally. Oh, it's quite heavy. Quite heavy. So yeah. So getting it out of its box. Yeah. Put this here. Don't need it. And that's the DC pin. So need to pull this out. That's just a plastic thing. Yeah. Right, we need to pull this out. Need that bit. So got these extra fins and the fin I don't need. So yeah, I think it's time to open it. Right, take that top off. So take the plastic off. And there we go. Oh, it is quite heavy. So here it is. That's 91, and yeah, that is totally different. That's the old one. That's the old 91. This. This yellow bit at the bottom used to be black, and it wasn't right. So yeah. So that they changed it. As you can see, there's a tri-wing now. No, you can see. So yeah. So not the intercity 91. So not Sir Henry voice. So here's the button. So yeah, I quite like it. So not the plastic Pantera, and not the light switch on the bottom. And spawn buffers. Yeah. So let me see the spawn buffers. Very nice. And got the magnetic coupler. And this is a light switch. So this is on day mode. You can switch it from day to night. Depends what we do. So don't leave it on daylight, on day running. And this is the electric Pantera. And plastic Pantera. So yeah. and it looks very nice. Can we have a look other side? Oh yeah. It's quite, yeah, quite heavy for a train like this. That's my GN91's like very light. So yeah, awesome. This looks very nice, and it will run very well, just like my GN91 did. That's just not the original headlights. Now we can see. So there's the old headlights. Well, we also got some lights in the front end. So yeah, I quite like it, and I'm looking forward to trying this on the model railway at Buffalo. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So yeah. So very nice train. Ooh, what that say? No, can't see it. Damn it, never mind. So I want to say thank you so much for watching. I might have another video on this when I go on June, in June, and yeah, I'll see you later. So make sure watch out for more train reviews like this.